So I rode an ATV once before when I was in Hawaii, so let's see how this compares. You feeling about ATVs?
Good, I'm excited. And they're kind of like the same as motorbikes.
That's a ride.
It was fun.
Yeah, ATV tour was a
To be
success.
fair, the steering part was really hard. I thought I was gonna like steer off.
Nice. There was some cruise control because my thumb's like sore
Oh my
now.
god, it was so funny. I didn't feel it. So I didn't like push the engine thing anymore. I was just like, I'm not going. But it was fun. And the views were amazing. These were really good.
What did you think of the?
Dude, it was a ton of fun. If you're ever in Peru, you gotta do this.
Yeah. Because we both done this before, so what's the difference between this and what you've done before?
Like back home?
Yeah.
Oh, much better. The scenery is just insane.
Yeah.
Nothing like it. I've never seen
Yeah.
anything like it.
When I did this in Hawaii, the ATV was much bigger and harder to control.
Yeah.
So this one, because it was smaller, it was easier to control and
easier to maneuver.
yeah, it made it a little more fun. And
Yeah.
and then of course we got some amazing drone footage. So that is yeah, that was a good time. Now, I've been to salt flats before, but for whatever reason, with this landscape here and the sunset vibe, this is just a lot more beautiful than any other salt flat that I've seen.